So here is a quick and simple way of using one of the features in CS ScanFlow to monitor change. So taking two scans of the same patient over time and overlaying and measuring. So I've scanned this model, and I've also got an identical model where I've worn the surface, the occlusal surface of this segment here. So you treat this as if it's a pre-prep and then a prep scan. So you do this scan, or you import this scan from a previous scan, go onto this pane, go into preparation, and then go here. And so what it's done, ignore that little warning because I've got some holes in my model. So now what it will do is it will copy that data. So this is a copy of the scan you just saw. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of the occlusal surface because I know there's some changes down here. Okay. So it's only in this quadrant where I've shaved a bit of the model. So now pick up your scanner, go to your patient again, or in this case a model, and then stitch in the occlusal surface. There we go. So I'm just stitching in where I know changes or I suspect changes have happened. Okay, so then what do we do now? Refine both sets. So we're refining in high resolution. So now we've refined. This is your pre-prep scan or your earlier scan of this patient. And then patients come in 3 months later, 6 months later, you've scanned them again, duplicating this whole scan. So you've just scanned the changes on the occlusal surface, and they are here. And so you can see that big wear where I've ground that model down for this example. So what do you use now to measure that? Over here on the left-hand side, preparation check tool. Although this isn't a prep, but it does overlay two scans on top of each other. So I'm going to click, I know where the areas of wear are because it's showing me that. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go posterior anteriorly, line that up, have a look in the right hand side, and see where any changes are, and measure those, and immediately show those to your patient. If you want to take a screenshot of that, camera icon, take a snapshot, and it's saved. Now we have other tools in CS Model Plus which are color heat maps, but this is in the acquisition software, and you can use this tool for overlaying two scans on top of each other and monitoring any changes.